Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today it is time for another Halloween tutorial because we're still in the month of October, and today I'm doing a witchy fortune teller kind of look for my accessories. I just have these little bat earrings I got off Shein. They're super cute and they're very light for as big as they are. But I have a brand new wig that I'm going to put with this, and I have this shirt from Shein as well that's very like fortune tellery with the moon and the stars and stuff. So let's just jump right into it. Now this is another look that in order to get the full effect you will have to go to my Instagram because I'm going to white out my eyes. But other than that, let's start. I'm gonna pop a bit of concealer on my eyes as a base for our shadows and blend it out with a buffing brush. And I'm gonna use a lot of glitter today. I have 3 different colors that I want to use. But before I go in and use them, I want to lay down a bit of a base. So I'm going to go in with Dusty Mauve from my Mega Pro 3 palette. And we're just going to tap this on the lids, just so there's a bit of color for everything to stick to. And now to blend out the edges of that color, I'm going into the It's My Pleasure palette from ColourPop, and we're going into the color Fan Fiction, which is right at the bottom here. It's kind of this pinky color with an angle brush, and I add this to our crease. And to blend those edges, I'm just going to go into Pink Cream from the Mega Pro 3 palette and blend right along the brow bone. We're gonna dip into the glitters. So I have Juicy from Sin Cosmetics, Inferno, which is like this bronze, and then Slate, which is this black color. And I'm gonna start with Juicy. So I threw on a little bit of lash glue to make this stick. We're just gonna tap it right on top. Make sure we cover all the glue so you don't glue your eyelid to your crease. So now in the middle of the lid, I'm going to take Inferno, which is this kind of bronzy color. And again, I'm just going to use lash glue. Now, if you're doing someone else's makeup, I don't recommend using lash glue as your glitter adhesive. I would recommend just going and getting more glitter glue. So Inferno is like this really pretty bronze color. It has this really cool gold reflect to it. It's just very pretty all over, so I am just tapping this on with, again, a flat packing brush. And be sure to take a little bit of whatever your second color is into your first color. This way it blends nicely and doesn't give you that like big block shape. And on the outer part of the eye, we're gonna put more glue. I'm not gonna be able to get this off, but it's fine. And we're gonna use Slate, which is the black glitter. Again, just flat packing brush. And tap it onto your outer lid. So now I'm going to throw some lashes on. I already put on my mascara. I'm using the Ardell 3D Faux Minx in style 854. So I'm just going to brush a little glue on these and pop these on. I did clean up around my eyes and on my face and like my nose and stuff with a micellar water just to get rid of the excess glitter. Lashes, they're very long, they're very fluttery, but they're very light. So I'm gonna pop these on. Obviously, I'm not doing any liner because we have so much glitter on. Truly, what would be the point? For the base, I'm going in with the Maybelline Superstay 24 Hour, which they don't make anymore. Now it's 30-hour foundation. So that's interesting. Hopefully it doesn't mess with the formula too much because I like this foundation quite a bit. And we're just gonna blend this with a brush. For concealer, we're going to go in with the Revolution Conceal and Define. And use it as our base for our contouring. And again, just blending with a brush. Taking a smudger brush, I'm going back into the It's My Pleasure palette. We're gonna go into the color Chicklet, which is this really shimmery purple, and smudge this underneath the lower lash line. And then I'm gonna take a little bit of Fan Fiction and use that to blend out the edges. And I want it just a tad darker, so I'm going to take this NYX pencil and I'm going to go right into my waterline. We're going to contour. I want really sharp features for this look, so I'm going to really go in and carve my face out. For blush, I'm going to use this Revlon kind of bronzing combo. Has a lot of nice color to it. It's kind of pinky but shimmery at the same time. It has a nice bronze. It just really complements your contour. Then I'm going to highlight with a purpley highlight from ColourPop. So I'm gonna fill in my brows and then throw on the wig and accessories, and then we'll finish off with the lips. So for this look, I went with this purpley wig. I just got it and I really like it. It's really nice and soft and kind of the perfect length for a wig of this color. In my opinion anyway. I have a really long one, but it tends to get tangled. I think this is like the perfect length for a wig to add length if you have shorter hair like me, and thickness, but it's also just this gorgeous purple all over. So for accessories, I have on these really long nails, and I'm going to put on this fake nose ring that has this little star on it. And then for lips, I'm using L'Oreal Color Riche Lilac Impulse. This is one of my favorite colors. If you like this look, let me know down below. Make sure you subscribe and comment and stick around. Check out all the other Halloween videos I have coming up and the ones I've already done on my Halloween makeup playlist. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.